Hello viewers, in this lesson we'll be looking at the following expression, how to solve the following expression. So to start with number 1, we have x power of half equals to 2. This can be written as square root of x equals to 2. So to square both sides, we then have square root of x power 2 equals to 2 power 2. So this gives us x, which is going to be equals to 4, because 2 index 2 gives us 4. This is our final answer. The next one is x raised to power 1 over 3 gives us equals to 3. So to solve this, we take the cube roots, we take the cube of both sides. We have x raised to power 3 into brackets of 3 equals to 3 power of 3. So from here, this goes to x, this cancel this, and we have x, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 3, which then give us 9 as our final answer. The next one, which is a power of minus 1 equals to 2. So to solve this, we have, this becomes a 1 over a equals to 2. So if we take the inverse of both sides, we have 1 over a is to power minus 1 over 1 over 2. This can then be written as 1 over 1 over a, which is equals to 1 over 2. So this inverse can then be written as ordinary a, which is what? A would then be equals to 1 over 2 as our final answer. The next question is a minus power 2 equals to 9. From here, you can go ahead, write this as 1 over a power 2 equals to 9. Then this gives us, by taking the inverse of both sides, we have 1 over 1 over a power 2, which is equals to 1 over 9. From here, this becomes a power 2 equals to 1 over 9. This can then be written as, by taking the square of both sides, we have, that is 1 over 2, and this one also becomes 1 over 2. This then gives us a equals to square root of 1 over 9. This can then be written as a equals to square root of 1 over square root of 9, which can then be written as square root of 1 equals to 1 over square root of 9 equals to 3. So our a equals to 3 over here. So the next question says 2x power 3 equals to 54. This gives us 2x power 3 and written as 2 times 27. So 2 cancel 2. We have x power 3 equals to 27. This can then be written as, taking the cube roots of both sides, we have x power 3 into bracket 1 over 3, that is power 1 over 3, which is equals to 27, also into bracket 1 over 3. So this 3 cancel this 3. This then becomes x equals to square cube root of 27, which can then be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Will give us our final answer to be 3. So x equals to 3. The next question says x minus power half equals to 5. This can be written as 1 over x power half, which is equals to 5. From here, we can take the inverse of both sides, and this becomes x power half equals to 1 over 5. By taking the square of both sides, we have x power half into brackets power 2 equals to 1 over 5 into brackets power 2. This then becomes x equals to 1 over 25, since 5 power 2 gives us 25. So the next one also gives us n power of minus 2 over 3 equals to 9. This can be written as 1 over n power of 2 over 3 equals to 9. From here, as usual, we take the inverse of both sides, then this becomes n power of 2 over 3 equals to 1 over 9. From here, next we can do is to take the cube of both sides. So we have n power of 2 over 3 into bracket cube, then equals to 1 over 9 into bracket of 3. So we can write this as n, taking out the 2, we have n power of 3 over 3 into bracket power of 2 equals to 1 over 9 power of 3. 1 over power of 3. So this gives us n, because this cancel this. Now n power of 2 equals to 1 over 7 to 9. So the cube of 9, that is 9 raised to the power of 3, gives us 729. So from here, n, taking the square root of this expression, 729, taking the square root of this expression, we then have n equals to 1 square root of 1 over 7 to 9. Okay, 7 to 9. So from here, n equals to square root of 1 over square root of 7 to 9. So this then gives us square root of 1 equals to 1. Then square root of 7 to 9 gives us 27 as our final answer of n. The next question gives us 5 for x equals to 25. So this can be written as 5 for x equals to 5 over 2. This 5 cancel this 5. We have x equals to 2. The next one also, we have 9 power of 2. 9 power of x equals to 27. From here, we have 3 goes to power 2 and of x. So 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2 of x of power x equals to 27. So from here, we can also write this as 3 power of 2x equals to, this can be written as a base to give us base 3 power of 3. So if this base cancel this base, then we have 2x equals to 3. Then this implies that x will then give us 2 over 3. That's our final answer. The next question is 4 raised to power c minus 1 equals to 64. And here we have 4 raised to power c minus 1 equals to this. Writing this 64 in base a, we have 4 raised to power 3. Cancel the base a, we have c minus 1 equals to 3. Then from here, we have multiplying both sides, adding 1 to both sides. We then have c to be equals to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 as our final answer. So the last on the list for today's lesson will be 5x equals to 40 5x equals to 40 x power of 1 over 2. From here, what we can do is to write this as 5x equals to 40 over, because this will give us, we can write this one as this, and this gives us this x power of 2. So this can be written as 5x equals to 40 over x power of 2. So from here, if we multiply x power of half or x index half to both sides, we then have 5x multiplied by x power of half equals to 40 over x of half multiplied by x of half. So this cancel this. So our expression gives us 5x multiplied by x of half equals to 40. So from here, if we divide both sides by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. This 5 cancels this 5. We then have x multiplied by x power of 5 power of 2 equals to 8. 40 divided by 5 gives us 8. So this can then be written as x. This can then be written as x, which have the power of 1 multiplied by x power of half, which is equals to 8. So from the rule of indices, this becomes x power of 1 plus power of half equals to 8. So this can then be written as x power of 1 over 1 plus of 1 over 2 equals to 8. This also can be written as x of 3 over 2, which is equals to 8. From here, we have x power of half, so we can bring out the 3, the power 3 give us this. So from here we then have, by squaring both sides, we have x power of half power of 3, then power of 2, which gives us 8 power of 2. So bring these two inside. We have x power of half over 2 power of half multiplied by 2 into bracket power of 3, which gives us 64 at the right hand side. Okay, from here this cancel this, so we then have x of 3 equals to 64. So by taking the cube root of both sides, we have x power of 3, which is 1 over 3 of the cube root. 64 1 over 3. So from here, this cancel this. We then have x to be equals to cube root of 64 then give us 4 as our final answer. So x equals to 4. Here comes the end of today's lesson. So we meet in the next lesson. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, comment in the comment section below. Bye for now.